guys, Kira fan back with another video. Today we'll be tooting cars because the ding dang trucks won't do it.
Nope.
So, and then we'll go. Then we'll go to a site that actually has a ton of trucks. So I know there is a mine thing down there that trucks always come by. That's nice. That's a really good horn, to be honest. Oh, fuck. Fuck. Hello. Good.
Good. Hey, Micah, this is Riley in Grayson.
Hi.
How are you?
Good. I'm making a YouTube video.
Yep, me too.
Yeah.
Hey, when do you start school?
Oh, he's visiting, but he's still doing his visit. Yeah, he's still doing the visits thing.
Are you here on the holidays?
I made after school holiday care for the holidays.
Oh, okay. Well, if we do anything,
No, we didn't do it. Damn it.
I'll give you a ring.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, we did go up and see if Lisa's finished the shed.
Okay.
Okay, say hi to Grandma for me.
Yep. Bye.
Bye.
That was unexpected. That was real. That's unexpected.
Why is that cup like that?
Oh, that was pretty unexpected.
Yeah.
I don't.
Riley? Why is that
Yes.
What?
No, I do it. Yes, I do it. Wait, first, can you do it? But I want some encouragement. Oh, no. He tried to rev his engine for us. He was going to rev it up. Come on, come on. If he toots for us, I'm going to be so happy. Come on, man, do it. Nice. Well, that was so unexpected.
Bluetooth? No, not motorbikes.
The motorbikes don't really have a horn, I don't think. But I'll toot them anyway. You can go inside if you want. I'll tell you, what do you want to stay out here? Can you toot for me, buddy? Buddy, please. Nice. Nice one.
Hey, that's a nice one.
Nice. We're just getting random cars just tuning at us. I don't know. What did you say there? I feel like some people are just. Oh yes, yes, yes. Come on, man. Yay! Some people appreciate me and by tooting. Most of them don't.
You sucker!
Nice. Well, our two truck counters are actually pretty good. I don't know. Okay. Grayson, stay back here, okay?
Doesn't she know you?
Oh, she just does. Nice. I'm breaking all the twigs back here.
I know.
Oh,
What?
have I broke? Are there any twigs on my back?
Yup.
You fell in.
It's on my back. Okay, why does he know us?
Oh, she knows me. That was pretty fast. Look at this car. Nice car, buddy.
Hey,
Yeah.
that's nice.
If they see the camera, I feel like they would too. Oh, there's an ambulance.
What?
Oh, hell yeah.
No!
No, I want the ambulance to.
No, okay.
No, I do it. I want to do it. Please, ambulance. If the ambulance does this, I'm going to be so happy. Oh, look, it's a Mini. It's a Mini Cooper. Harmony, boy, ambulance. Wow. At least we got an ambulance on camera. Nah, probably stop. Will people like come and arrest us if we're like minutes?
How does he know you?
I don't know. Look at this one here. I'm not trying to like videotape anyone, but I'm literally like zooming in on like cool cars. Nice car, buddy. I feel like people want to be noticed on YouTube. No, stop, Garrison. I feel like people want to be noticed on YouTube, and that's why we're doing this.
Why can you do it?
Look at your truck, sir. Oh, that. What's he carrying? A speedboat? Okay, we need another truck.
No, because we don't have
Okay, we've only got like 2 trucks so far. What is this thing? Oh, it gives you like mini photos.
I wish I would do it. All my dreams come true.
Yike! Yike! Okay, I got a couple of snappy snips from like random cars. Grayson, get back. Get back. Snippity snap. Okay. Oh, nice BMW.
It's like back.
Oh, look at that car. Oh, sick. That's what I was going to say, you ruiner.
You are Luna. What?
This is my twig beard. It's really pinchy. It pinches my butt.
What?
Okay, so I'm going to post this on YouTube. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Peace.